Your CV is the first impression you can make on a recruiter. But here's the truth. Most CVs never get read because they're not structured properly. That's why at Talmera Academy, we've created a free professional CV template you can download today and start building your own winning CV. So in this video, I'll show you what is inside the free template, how to use it step by step, and why personalizing your CV is key to landing interviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in the comment section, tell us the type of videos you would like us to create. Why a good CV matters. Your CV is not just a document, it's your marketing tool. Recruiters spend an average of 7 seconds scanning a CV before deciding if you're worth a second look. That's why structure, clarity, and impact are so important. A good CV is a difference between "we will call this applicant" and "applicant rejected." Our free template gives you the foundation to stand out. Here's what you find inside the free CV template: a clean header with space for your name, contact, and LinkedIn profile, a profile summary section with sample text to guide you, a core skills section to highlight your strengths, a professional experience section with achievement-driven bullet points, and space for education, certifications, and extra. We have included prompts inside the template like "want a personalized summary?" Talmera can help craft yours. It's more than a template, it's a guide. Here's how to use the template effectively. Number 1, replace the placeholder with your own information. Number 2, keep your profile summary short, 3 to 4 lines. Number 3, use action verbs and numbers in your experience section. For example, instead of saying "responsible for payroll," I would rather you say "processed payroll for 200 employees with 100% accuracy." That's just an example. Number 4, tailor it to the job you are applying for. Remember, on our LinkedIn page, we posted and we said one CV does not fit all. You cannot use one CV for all your jobs. Now, here's the truth. Templates are helpful, but they are just starting point. What really gets you interviews is a CV that is personalized, ATS friendly, and achievement focused. That's exactly what we do at Talmera Academy. Professional CV writing, CV revamping, LinkedIn optimization. So download the free template today, then let us help you turn it into a document that wins interviews. Check the link in the description to download your free CV template now. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp career community for regular job updates, tips, and offers. Subscribe to this channel for more free hacks on CVs, LinkedIn, and career growth. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.